Today's video is going to be on like this for these box makers, because like I made one. Okay, so when you go to the site and you download the box plan, so I'm going to download it as a DXF, then you just drag it over the top of your light burn and drop it in there, and you'll see now if you click on something, like everything's all separated. So first thing you want to do is go over the whole lot, go up to edit, and then go to auto join selected shapes, and now this will make them into, you know, shapes. And then what I wanted to show is like how you can fix the kerf, because if I go to the ruler tool here and look on one of these parts that's sticking out, you can see it's 27.72 mil, and then the parts that are sticking in are the same size, so it's going to be a loose fit. I just want to show one way that you can fix that. Go to the square tool there and just drag out a square within one of these tabs. So now this is the same size as the tab, and what you want to do is on the height add whatever kerf that you're adding for yours, because mine is coming off of 4 sides, 2, or you know, 2 sides are going to be cut on both. I'm going to go plus 0.8, and it's in millimeters, so you can see now it's just a bit wider than the box there, so that's like allowed for my kerf now. So if you go to the array tool, I know roughly this is 27.2 reverse direction because they're going the wrong way, but if you're not sure, you can just mess with these numbers till you know it looks right. So I'm going to take that and just say 27, it's less than that, so 26, that's too much, so 26.5, 26.9, and you can see there 26.9's done it. You've only got to do this one time, so now they're correctly spaced, so okay. And now you want to, while these 3 are selected, so hold shift and make sure you're on the selection tool, hold shift and select these 2, duplicate it so you've got a spare, which is going to be for this side, and then select these 3 and the outside shape and align it with the left, and now when you weld it together you can see it's added that extra shape in there, like you know, the extra size. So let me just select these 3, duplicate them. I'm just going to duplicate a couple there. So with these 3, select the outside, move it over to align with the right. You can see the spacing's good there, and then weld. And then these are correct now for the top as well, so just rotate 90. Slide it over the top there. I'll just delete that one for now. I'm going to duplicate these 2 because these can go straight down to the bottom, and then click them both, align with the top, and then weld. Same with these 2, click them both with this, align with the bottom, and then weld. And basically you just do that on any that are sticking out. You see these are sticking out but they're still in line with the wood. These are coming past, so any that are coming past like that. So this back actually don't need any at all on it. It's going to be that one, and these 2, that one there and that one there. Yeah, and that way you can fix, you know, that fixes your kerf offset problem, so the box will fit nice and tightly together. So yeah, I just wanted to show how that was possible. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make another video as soon as possible.